Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've shared some things with you. A lot has gone on since then, and I'm gonna start to do some unboxings here and some sharing some of my favorite things. So I just got this package in the mail from Melinda Maria, who I'm already where I'm wearing. This is, I think this one is the Samantha, and this is the heart with a Z in it for Zeus and Ziggy. And I just wanted to do this little unboxing and see what's inside. I love her jewelry so much. It's some of my favorite, and oh my goodness, it's really in there. It's really in there. I also love that they do zero waste box now, so you can actually send this box back, and I think they give you like a free gift. I think. I'll have to double check on that. Here we go. Jasper, you want to say hi? Kitty energy in the house. This is Jasper. First time you guys are meeting him. All right. We have got this beautiful box, and there is surprise. Okay, so one piece I know that I'm getting, and then, or is this the mystery box? Which is this? I think there's some good pieces in here. Okay, so we're just gonna do the full unboxing. First of all, this box is gorgeous. Hello, she's amazing. And first up we got, oh my gosh, this is, look at her. Wow. Can we just like see the shimmer on her? Like, wow. Okay, so this is a 16-inch. She is the queen necklace. I think we just might put her on right now. Okay, so something to know about Melinda Maria is that she's just known for having the best tennis necklaces, like the best diamond tennis necklaces, because she's like, you can't not have a good tennis necklace. And oh my god, this is my new favorite stack. Okay, wait, and now we've got even more. We have 4 more items in here, so let's check them out. Holy my goodness. What Okay, this is the Baroness blue opal necklace, and I have hoops that match this. Oh my gosh, we're so excited about her because I think she's longer. She is longer. Wait, okay, so now we're putting this on. I'm dying. Are you dying? I'm dying. Okay, so then we have, oh my goodness, we've got some earrings. We've got, I like can't even tell you. They're like these cute, can we see them? Focus. These little diamonds with this pearl. So it like, let's see. I'm pretty sure you put the, if you could see, the diamonds go here, and then you put the pearl on the back side. So it like hugs your ear. Those are to die for. Okay, we've got 2 more items in here. Like what? Is this a bracelet? Oh my god. This matches my necklace, but it's the bracelet. Oh my gosh, now we're gonna put her on. Okay, so now, okay, so there's one more thing in here. What is she? More earrings. They're like huggies, and I've been wanting more huggies, and we got them. We got them. Oh my god. These are so cute. Okay, they look like this. These are so cute. Wow. I'm just like blown away at like, okay, so let me tell you, I knew I was getting this queen's necklace, but then I ordered the mystery box. And the mystery box, you get all these different pieces. So the mystery box came with how many? Okay, let's get our bearings together because we're so excited right now. Oh my God. Okay. So the gift box, the mystery gift box came with this bracelet, this necklace, these earrings, and these, oh my God, these earrings. What? That's unreal. Highly recommend. I just love Melinda Maria. I love Melinda Maria for so many reasons, but like, also because she has the best, like I said before, tennis necklaces that are like they're diamonds, they sparkle, and they're affordable, and you can feel luxurious and stack everything. Like, I'm literally obsessed. I found her years ago, and she actually also, she styles the celebrities in these tennis necklaces instead of them spending like, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars and worrying about going on the red carpet with like these real diamond necklaces. Nobody's ever gonna know that these aren't real. They look real, they look expensive, and you are worthy and deserving of feeling luxurious and expensive. And to top that off, she literally has a program where if you ever have anything tarnish or it breaks or whatever, she will replace it. 100% replace it. Not that it's going to do that, but if it does, they have a lifetime guarantee. So highly recommend this jewelry brand. Every piece I own is amazing. It's unreal. I mean, look at these. They're just epic. And I can't wait to wear all of them and just be blinged out like all the freaking time. Thank you guys so much for coming to this video and watching my Melinda Maria YouTube about all of her pieces. I'm sure that there is more to come because these are just epic. Stay magical. I'm inserting this after I film the video. So this isn't the blue opal, I don't think. I don't know what one this is. I think it's the Style Baroness, but it is a beautiful like turquoise tennis necklace. The quality is amazing. I just don't think it's the opal. It looked like it, and I was just so excited when I pulled it out that I actually didn't take a very close look. So the most similar one that's current right now would be the blue opal one, which is beautiful because it's iridescent. But again, this came in the mystery box. So I don't even know if this was like past or they just have like these pieces that you can't actually buy in the mystery box, which is why I feel like the mystery box is such a steal. To get 4 pieces, again, like this was separate, not in the mystery box. Like I got this apart from the mystery box, but it came together. So, like I bought it at the same time. That's what I mean. So all that to say is that the quality is just luxurious and it's just beautiful. And you know, I know for myself, I was searching for a good tennis necklace for a while and I was scouring the internet, and the only place that came up that seemed legit was Melinda Maria. I have another version and I forget what it's called. I think it's the Dynasty necklace, and it's all diamonds and they're kind of like all different sizes, and it's absolutely stunning and beautiful. But I cannot recommend this one enough as like a staple everyday piece to stack or just wear by itself. It feels not heavy, but it has like a little bit of weight to it where it feels like luxurious, you know what I mean? So we love her. We love the whole stack, and you know, you've got to be putting intention into what you're wearing. It's all about vibrational frequency, and as I call it, it's frequency dressing, and everything holds energy, so it all matters.